Good morning, everybody. The topic today is who is really Jesus Christ God? Because people around the world, denominations, religions, everywhere, that Jesus Christ is God. So let's find out if Jesus Christ is God. So in John 8:54. In the time of conversation, Jesus Christ did not commit lying when he talked to the Israelites. Let's find out if the conversation is look like there is God within him. Okay. John 8:54, it said, uh, if I honor myself, it's nothing, but my honor is from my Father, of whom you said he is our God. So in this case, Jesus did not lying in front of people. The Jesus Christ is speaking. He didn't speak by his own self. He speak. The angels from God brought the information to Jesus Christ. An angel is speaking in behalf of Jesus Christ. That is the real story. So in this case, Jesus said, "My Father, who honor me, of whom you said he is our God." So the God of Israel, that is the God of Jesus Christ. So what is the name of the God of Israel? According to the encyclopedia, that the true name of God, there, there's nobody can to speak or to read, because it is a tetragrammaton. And tetragrammaton, they translate it why it's WH. And they translate that our generations, they translate Jehovah, Yahweh, Adonai, God, and wherever it is. But Jesus' name is not including, Jesus Christ is not including, and Allah is not including in translations of Tetragrammaton. So Tetragrammaton, that is the name of Israelites in the time of Israelites. So the name uh, of God in the time of Israelites, and nowadays it's up to you who will you adopt. If you adopt Jehovah, Yahweh, Adonai, Father, or whatever it is, it's up to you, as long you have translated from Tetragrammaton. So Jesus Christ, his God, he admitted that his Father that glorified him is the God of Israel, that he is, of whom he is our God. So very loud and clear that Jesus Christ, he did not cheat, or there is something behind his conversations. So all people around the world, they are accept, or they said Jesus Christ is God within him. That is wrong. So we talk uh, uh, we talk in next video about uh, who is behind, or who is the mastermind of that Jesus Christ is God. So thank you very much for listening, and please subscribe, share, and like, so you can receive the most important information from. By the way, I am introducing myself. I am Jehovah Servant, organizers to revealing the truth to all peoples. Thank you very much. Have a great day or night.